Okay, Asia session done. Took one trade on GBPNZD. Past couple weeks, I've been busy working on this new indicator. Basically, this is an indicator that's going to replace how I do my watch list. I used to flip through all the pairs individually, but I've always hated analysis, and I always looking for ways to automate my whole process. And since I'm a mechanical trader with clear definitions of what my setups are, I decided I'm just going to put it all into an indicator and have it automated for me. So whenever there's an actual setup, I'm going to get these text in white, get highlighted in white and gets pushed up. But the best ones, the ones that I will usually trade, are the ones that are going to be highlighted in blue. These are the best trade setups. And so got one on GBPNZD, and so that's what I'm going to take. So took one on GBPNZD. Hard time frame breakout levels are mostly bullish. Daily is bearish. Peak bias is mixed. What I liked about this one is we broke out above previous week high. This is a breakout level, and then we faked out the previous week high above that fake out level. So this becomes a breakout reversal, and we came right back up, faked out the low over here. This is a fake out retracement, coming back up, faking out the high, previous day high, right at that fake out level. This is a fake out continuation. So trading a fake out continuation. There was news in my session at 10:30, so waited until that played out. But what I saw is a bullish breakout day. I've always liked when I see a breakout day because it pushes the breakout level close to the peak. So whenever the previous peak gets faked out, that's the first sign of a reversal, but it's not confirmed until it gets below that breakout level. So I always like that breakout. The previous bar closing is breakout because it pushes that breakout level up, so I can get a tight stop. So waited until 10:30 before entering. News pushed up and then came back down, and I entered as price got below these levels. So H8 also closed in breakout. So again, I always like that. That pushes that breakout level up. So we got below that H8 breakout level. We faked out the H8 high already and waited until price got below the M15 breakout level, reversing the time frame, the bias of the M15. And then I'm also looking for to get a closure below this H1 breakout level. So this momentum bar took out both those levels. I had the H8 high fake out, trading a false breakout as well on the daily. Flipped this breakout level. It's a breakout high, and we're trading underneath it. These flips of breakout levels only happen at swing points. Doesn't happen anywhere else on the chart. Only at a swing point. And so I'm looking to take this down. Got in a bit early. I waited until price got below this week open, but it ended up closed outside of it, but ended up coming back in. So I'm in a bit of drawdown right now. Stop loss high of the day. But let's see if this wants to continue. Saw this on the weekly, so I'm trading weekly levels, going to be trading it down to the previous week low. So that's the trade I took. Let's see if this wants to go. It's going to be 3R if it gets there. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see how price reacts if it wants to get to the previous day low. It is above the week breakout high, but it did take that out. So, well, maybe I'll have a look how that looks over there. But otherwise, I'm going to be looking to hold it down to the previous week low. And that's it. So again, I was also looking at Aussie NZD, was waiting for price to get below this H8 breakout level. It also set up, right now it's not a best trade setup for me, but at the time it was when I was looking at it, but currently it's not set up properly for me. Aussie Swiss was another one that I liked. This one actually was the one I liked the most. Flip this breakout level. The weekly is in breakout. So the weekly is in a breakout cycle. Get this to load first. Right here. Weekly was in a breakout cycle, broke out below the previous week low. So we're in a breakout cycle. And then on the daily, we flipped the breakout high and we're getting below it. So I like this, but it did not set up. It looks like it might set up now. I might still take this. And yeah, so I think I'll take this. If it closes below the H1, which I don't think it will. Last H1 breakout level. Here's the last bullish one. This bearish one did not take that out, so I'm still bullish Yeah, I probably won't take it. I'm not going to take it. I would need it to fake out that high first if I wanted to enter, but not going to take this one. I'm just going to take, just kept GBPNZD, and that's it. Yeah, so that's it. And now off to London.